Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adeola Super and today I'm back with another video. In today's video I will be showing you how to make home DIY face mask with turmeric and other ingredients. To see all the ingredients, please watch the video to the end. My first ingredient here is gram flour. Gram flour has certain properties that treat acne. It's good for curing acne and pimples. It also helps to clear dark spots. I'll be using 1 tablespoon of gram flour. The second ingredient is turmeric. Turmeric works amazingly well to treat dark spots and patches and also hyperpigmentation because it contains antioxidant and anti-inflammatory components, and this helps to provide glow to the skin. It makes skin glow naturally. I will be using 1 tablespoon of turmeric. I will mix the two ingredients together. These are turmeric powder and gram flour powder. Before I will go ahead to add the next ingredient. The next ingredient I will be using is rosewater. Rosewater helps to improve the skin complexion and also reduce skin redness. I'll be using 2 tablespoons of rose water. If you don't have rose water, you can make use of water, but it's good if you can see rose water. So I'll be using rose water to mix it together to form a thick paste. If you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you are new here, I welcome you. I hope you stay. Please don't forget to press the subscribe button. It's ready now. I'll go ahead to apply it on my face. Over here, I've washed my face and I'm drying it up with kitchen towel. It's very good to use kitchen towel to clean face instead of using towel to avoid bacteria on your face. Then I will go ahead to apply the mixture on my face. I will apply it all over my face. The benefit of turmeric and gram flour are it helps to treat acne and pimples. It also helps to reduce redness if any, and it also helps to fade out any dark spot, and it brightens the skin and make the skin glow naturally. You can apply this mixture on your face 2 to 3 times in a week. After applying it, I will leave it for 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, I've washed it away. So this is my face after I wash it. So it's good to clean your face with kitchen towel. This is my natural face after washing it. It has helped me to get rid of my dark spot. As you can see, the before and after. It has really helped me a lot. If you are still watching to this moment, I want to say thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Till see me in my next video. Bye.